Today, I will show you how to remove a user from a Slack workspace in 2026. Many workspace owners and admins get confused about this, and sometimes the remove option doesn't appear or the user still shows as active. First, let's understand who can remove users. Only workspace owners or admins have permission to remove or deactivate members. Um, Regular members won't see this option. Step 1, open your Slack workspace. Click on the workspace name at the top left and go to Settings and Administration, then select Manage Members. Step 2, find the user you want to remove. Search by name or email in the member list. Click on the three-dot menu next to the user's name. Step 3, choose Deactivate Account or Remove from Workspace. This will immediately block the user from accessing the workspace. Their messages will remain visible to the team. Step 4, confirm the action. Slack will ask for confirmation to prevent mistakes. Once confirmed, the user is removed instantly. If you don't see the remove option, check the user's role. Workspace owners cannot be removed by admins. Only the primary owner can transfer ownership or remove another owner. Finally, review workspace members. Make sure the user no longer appears in the active member list. This confirms successful removal. So yeah, removing users from Slack is simple with the right permissions. Follow these steps and manage your workspace safely and properly. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.